The 2018-2020 VW Passat key fob typically uses a CR2032 battery. Symptoms of a dying battery include reduced range or intermittent operation. To replace, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on the fob and gently pry it open. Remove the old battery, noting the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 with the correct orientation and reassemble the fob. Test by unlocking the car from a short distance. If the key fob doesn't respond after replacing the battery, it may need reprogramming at a Volkswagen dealer. This happens in about 20 to 30% of cases and typically costs $50 to $100. Use only OEM or high-quality CR2032 batteries. Cheap knockoff batteries can leak and damage the fob's circuitry, voiding any warranty. Properly dispose of used CR2032 batteries at recycling centers. Lithium batteries require special handling per EPA guidelines to prevent environmental harm. Replace the battery in a dry environment to prevent corrosion. Ground yourself to avoid static electricity discharge, which can damage the fob's electronics. While Volkswagen is moving toward digital keys and smartphone-based entry in newer models, physical CR2032 batteries are still necessary for 2018-2020 Passat key fobs. Battery life is typically 18 to 24 months, but extreme cold or high altitudes can reduce this to as little as 12 to 15 months by accelerating chemical reactions inside the battery.